Today we're going to take a look at this solar charger. So it comes with solar panel and a couple of different ways to connect it to a battery, and it also has a cigarette lighter adapter. So I stuck this on the side of my truck. I got direct sunlight, and I have it connected to a little lithium iron phosphate battery. So I'm going to leave it out here for a little bit and just see how it does charging. But a couple things that I wanted to point out. It comes with these, I don't know, little suction cups that, first of all, are extremely difficult to install. And the problem is, let me just pop these off real quick. The controller, hopefully you can see that, is actually on the back of the solar panel, and it sticks out farther than the suction cups will allow. So it actually, if you get this thing to stick, I'm gonna set it over here for right this second, but if you get it to stick, it creates a bow in the panel itself. So on the back are 3 lights, blue, red, and green. And if you read the instructions, it says that if the red and green are lit, then it's charging. So hopefully you can see, when I aim it at the sun, I get my red and green lights, and when I turn it away, they go away. So I'm gonna believe that it's charging. I did put my meter on there. This thing does put out 14.6 volts in direct sunlight. The panel itself, yeah, I mean, it's nothing special, but in the end, my biggest concern is the suction cups and how you actually get this thing to stick to anything. So I'm going to leave it on here for probably about a half hour, and we'll see if it does anything as far as charging my battery.